weighing in about the sexual harassment allegations against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court fixes July 7th for consideration of the charge sheet filed by Delhi police against the former boss of the Wrestling Federation of India. On 7th, Rouse Avenue Court will decide whether to take cognizance of the charge sheet filed by Delhi police or not. Wrestlers have accused Singh of sexual harassment. Based on their allegations, Delhi police carried out its investigation and filed a charge sheet accusing Singh of harassing the wrestlers and misusing his position of power. If you recall, there was a long dharna that was carried out by Olympians, Commonwealth medalists, Asiad medalists, wrestlers who were accusing him of misusing his powers, targeting even minor wrestlers and really not allowing the wrestlers to do for what they were competing, which is practice and compete. Now, post that dharna, the Delhi police carried out its probe. A number of statements of people who were accusing Singh of harassment and people who were supporting him. Those statements were all taken, and finally a charge sheet was filed in Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court. And now we are told that 7th of July is the date that the court has decided. On that day, we'll know whether the Delhi police charge sheet the court takes cognizance of or not. Ananya Bhatnagar is live with me on the story. Ananya, can you give us more details?
Well, yes, this matter is listed before the special MP MLA court here at Rouse Avenue Court in the national capital. And today also, the court took, note of the Delhi police's progress in this investigation, though a charge sheet has been filed in this particular case. The Delhi police told the court today that, there is a supplementary charge sheet that needs to be filed, which would basically include the replies of the letter regulatories that have been sent to foreign countries. Because remember, there was an allegation that on foreign trips as well, Brij Bhushan Sharan used to sexually harass these women, but at the same point of time, certain FSL reports and core detail records too are awaited for the Delhi police, and those would be filed in a fresh supplementary charge sheet. So the court has now kept the matter for further hearing on July 7th, where it is likely that the court would decide on the point of cognizance of this particular charge sheet. Once a cognizance is taken on this charge sheet, a summon would be issued to Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh to appear before the court, and then he can actually apply for a regular bail in this particular case. So all of this is a matter of time. We'll have to wait until and unless these things happen. But at this point of time, the Delhi police has said that they are yet to receive certain replies, certain FSL reports, and more importantly, certain letter rogatory replies which are sent to various foreign countries where it was alleged that there were certain incidents that had happened on foreign trips. Ananya,
I think the wrestlers themselves wanted a certified copy of the charge sheet to finalize their legal strategy. What is the position on that?
Well, as far as the charge sheet copy to be provided to the wrestlers is concerned, it can only be done after, in fact, a cognizance is taken on that particular charge sheet. So we'll have to wait for the cognizance, and until then, there cannot be any kind of, a document serving that could happen, because the stage of 207, that is the giving of documents and charge sheet, comes up only after a cognizance of the charge sheet is taken. So the wrestlers too would have to wait for that, and until and unless the court takes cognizance of the same, the charge sheet might not be able to be supplied to these wrestlers as well.
All right. Ananya Bhatnagar, thank you so much. Ananya, they're getting us all the details about the charge sheet that has been filed against the former Wrestling Federation chief. We'll keep an eye on that story. But the big political story that is developing